Hello, I am on my way to the airport. I am going backpacking.
All tobacco products.
Literally like baby sounds. Hello, I'm in Utah with Drew right now. It's about 10:30 p.m. We're in the Canes drive-thru.
And then can I get the Adam Finney special?
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my god. Alright, so we're in our Uber driving up to the Trailhead and we came to a road closed sign and we're like, well dude, you can just drop us off. So we have about a 3-mile walk down this road to the actual trailhead where we're supposed to start on. We have no service. It's really beautiful around us though. So we're on this road right now, but we think that if we take this trail right here, then maybe we can shortcut to the lake. But dude, we have no idea where we are. All right, bro, I'm gonna go this way and I'll report back to you. All right, dude, just follow the clear trail, dude. All right, the wind is picking up and there are some gray clouds rolling in. It did say it's supposed to snow in the forecast. Yes, dude, yes. Hit that. Okay, keep doing it. This is wild. Imagine in 2 years we have 1 million subscribers and we do these same adventures, but we bring people like Charlie D'Amelio. Imagine if Charlie D'Amelio was here right now, dude. And we convince her we have to cross the lake.
She's like, okay.
Like, it's safe, I promise, Charlie D'Amelio.
Okay, say something that Adam Finney would say.
This is fun, but imagine if we were at Burger King.
Yeah, perfect.
Drew and I just devised a game plan. We're unpacking all of our bags except for light changes of clothes, water, and food. We're getting ready to attack the summit. We don't know how it's gonna go because there are some snow clouds over the top of the mountain and it's very windy, but we're gonna give it all we got. But like, we both agreed that if it gets pretty sketchy, we're gonna head back down. I'm excited for this now. It is chilly. We just saw a guy snowshoeing by us. It's so deep. Are you kidding me?
Like this, dude.
We gotta crawl out. Yeah, dude. You're doing Yo! Yo! Changing socks right now.
Sharing smoke
We're back at camp. We got warm socks on and we're working on getting a fire going right now.
Sunshine hard on the hillside. Sure as anything, it's not all it seems.
Drew's got chili mac. What will you rate it out of 10?
Maybe about 8.
It's not awful. I give it a 7. All right, Drew and I made it off the mountain in one piece, but unfortunately, we have no ride. We have no Uber, no one to pick us up, no nothing. And if we were to walk completely out of this canyon, it would take like 6 hours. So we're just walking right now, hoping to hitchhike. We're so happy you're here. We had no service.
Wow.
And we managed to find someone with service. We waited them down, and then they ordered an Uber for us. And we had no idea if you were coming.
Wow.
Dude, we did it. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to the airport. Man, this is what you get when you're successful.